You've got to join us for the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026, happening on the 27th of May. The AI shift course creators cannot ignore. AI is going to replace course creators, but course creators who know how to use AI properly will have a serious advantage over the ones who do not. Because AI is not just changing content, it is changing SEO, it is changing ads, it is changing course platforms, it is changing memberships, it's changing student support, it's also changing sales copy, and it's changing how quickly course creators can plan, create, market, teach, and grow. And that can feel overwhelming because most course creators are not asking, is AI important? They already know it is. The real question is, where does AI actually fit into my business? Should I use it for content, SEO, ads, student support, sales copy, course delivery, workflows, communities? The answer is yes, but only if you know how to use it strategically. That is why we are running the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026. It is a practical virtual summit for course creators, membership owners, coaches, and digital businesses who want to understand how AI is changing online, education, and growth. Because the biggest mistake right now is treating AI like it's a random tool. One day you use it to write a caption. The next day you use it to brainstorm an email. Then maybe you use it to summarize something. And while that can be useful, it is not the real opportunity. The real opportunity is learning how AI can support the whole creator business. How it can help you think faster, plan faster, create faster, test faster, support students better, improve retention, strengthen your marketing, and free up your time from the tasks that slow you down every single day. That is why this summit has been designed to move you from big picture strategy into practical creator use cases, platform innovation, and real world examples. So I, David Newton, will be covering the power of AI for creators, including practical ways to use AI for planning. I'll be showcasing a ton of different uses, content support, workflow and marketing without losing your voice. We'll have Joel Erway. We'll be showing you how to create ads faster using AI without hiring an agency, so you can test creative variations and move faster with paid traffic. We have our keynote speaker, Neil Patel. He will be delivering a keynote on AI revolution in SEO and content for courses and memberships, helping creators understand what is changing, what is working now, and how to avoid low quality AI content mistakes. We have our CEO, Rakesh, who will be looking at how AI and agentics are changing online course platforms and what that means for the future of creators using modern tools. And he'll be showcasing agentics going into the Zenler platform. We have Gemma Went. She will be showing how to use AI to teach and implement inside your memberships, helping you support members, improve results, and save time. We have Allie from Zenler. She will be sharing a creator-first system for turning your thinking into content responses and assets that actually sound like you. We will also have mini spotlight sessions from creators and experts sharing how AI is already changing their businesses in practical terms, real world ways. And of course, Mike Samuels will be closing with a powerful session on how to use AI to write sales copy faster without losing the human voice, plus many other AI experts. So this is not just about another conversation about AI. One thing I want to just make a quick note of here is we also have Kevin Arrow coming in, and he will be talking. He's part of Zenler, part of our team, and he will be talking on safeguarding for AI, which is a really important aspect, and many summits leave this out. This is not about hype. It's not about replacing creators. And it is not about flooding the internet with more generic content. It is about understanding how AI can help you build a smarter, faster, more sustainable creative business. Because if you sell your expertise online, you need to understand what is changing. You need to know how AI affects visibility, how it affects content, how it affects ads, how it affects course deliveries, how it affects student support, and how it affects sales copy, and how it affects the platform and the systems you build your business on. The goal of the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026 is to help you feel clearer, more confident and more practical about AI. Not to be overwhelmed, not to be left behind, not chasing random tools, but actually seeing where AI can support your growth. So if you are a course creator, membership owner, coach, expert educator, or digital business owner, click now to get your place. We are going deeper on this throughout the summit with Neil, Joel, myself, Gemma, Mike, Kevin, Rakesh, and Allie, and more. AI is not something creators can ignore, but used properly, it can help you work smarter, grow faster, and stay competitive in the future of online education. Click now to get your place.